So from previous session, we learned about slices and how to iterate slices and how to declare an slices. In this session, we'll learn about maps, how to declare a map, how to insert values into the map, and also we'll learn how to iterate maps.
Let's discuss about Golang Maps as part of this session. So Golang Maps are implement data structure in Go programming language that allows developer to store and retrieve key value pairs. There are several reasons why maps are important in Golang. Efficient data retrieval. Maps in Golang are implemented using a hash table which makes data retrieval fast and efficient. This is especially important when dealing with large amounts of data where quick access to specific data points can greatly improve the performance. Flexible keys and values. Golang maps allow developers to use wide variety of data types as both keys and values. This means that maps can be used to store and retrieve data in a highly customizable way without requiring developers to conform to strict data type restrictions. Easy to use. Golang maps have a simple and intuitive syntax, making them easy to use and understand for developers at all experience levels. This is simplicity also makes maps highly readable and maintainable even in large and complex code bases. Concurrency support. Golang maps include built-in support for concurrency, which means that multiple Go routines can safely access and modify a map at the same time. This makes maps a powerful tool for building highly concurrent applications like web servers or distributed systems. In Golang, maps are built-in data structures that allow developers to store and retrieve key value pairs. A map is a collection of unordered pairs where each pair consists of a unique key and its associated value. The keys and values can be of any data type as long as they are comparable and keys are unique within the map. How to declare a map? Using where keyword, you can declare a where map name, map followed by key data type in the square bracket and value data type. That's it. And creating a map. You can create a map using make a keyword, which actually creates an empty map. Alternatively, you can skip the both the step declaration and creation both can be done using map name semicolon equal to make map of key data type and its value data type. How to add key value pairs to the map? You can use the map variable of key equal to value, simple. And similarly, you can retrieve the value from the map. You value semicolon equal to map of key. Here semicolon equal to key, it will create new value of type variable type of whatever the value it is returning, and checking if key exists in the map or not. So that will return two values. One is a value and it's a boolean value. The key exists or not. It's okay in this case. How to delete a value from a map? You can delete. You can use the delete function. In delete function, take a map variable followed by the key to be deleted. We can talk about this program once we are done with other part of this presentation. So how you can iterate over the maps? There are two ways we can iterate over the maps using a for range loop. In this case, for key and value, semicolon equal to range map variable. In this case, key and value are the temporary variables which are just created and it will be using within the block of this range uh, code. And another way is like using a for loop with map keys, which is very simple, like similar to like previous one. Here just we are focusing on key only, a range of keys, and we can handle this is also like a temporary variable created, and it can be key value can be used within the block of the range code. We will see this program as well. And Go Maps also support concurrent access and mutation with the use of syncmap, which allows to perform map operations concurrently without explicit locks. We will demonstrate some example and basic operations that can be performed on a sync map, including inserting key value pairs, updating values, retrieving values, and deleting key value pairs. The range method is used to iterate over the keys and values in the map, and the store, load, and delete methods are used to manipulate the key value pairs stored in the map. It is important to note that the range method does not guarantee any consistent order for the key value pairs. Also, the keys and values stored in the map must be of type interface, meaning any type can be used. Also, it is the thread safe, meaning that it can be safely used in concurrent environment, allowing multiple Go routines to access and modify the map without explicit locking. We'll discuss about this program as well. Let's move on to the coding part. So if you see here, map actually you can declare using the where map name followed by map. Here is the key is the of type string and value will be of type integer. This is a declaration. You can initialize using the make keyword, and you can add some values to the map using map of key equal to value. And here you can retrieve the value from the map by passing the key. And also you can retrieve the value exist or not using the map of key. It will return value followed by its exist or not. We can delete the map key from the map using delete keyword. We'll see that how it works. And as we discussed, we can iterate using the for range loop from the map. And also you can iterate the map using the for loop with map keys. Let us see how it works. Okay, I will go to map folder. I will run go run main.go. If you see here, we are printing first at 1811 line number 18. We are retrieving the key 1 and we are printing here. And we are retrieving the key 2 value. And since it is present in the map, so it will execute success case, and we are printing key 2 value here. And then in the line number 31, we are trying to delete the key 2 from the map and trying to retrieve the key 2 from the map at line number 33. So in this case, we are not able to see the value key 2 in the map. So it will try to execute the else case. That's why you can see this one here. And we are initializing a map with some values like 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. And the 1, 2 strings are like keys, and 1, 2, 3 numbers are and the values of map. So now we are trying to iterate map using a for range. So you can see that key and values here, and using the maps keys you can just print the keys here. This is about normal normal map operations. And as we discussed like sync map as well, let us see this sync map also. So in this sync map, you see like you can create using the sync namespace map. I'm just creating where map sync map, and we can insert the values into the sync map using store method, and you can retrieve using the load method. And also you can update the value of method using store, and you can delete the method using delete method, and we can iterate using the range method of sync map. So in this case, if you see anonymous function which take a key and value of type interface, and you can we discussed about why interface we are passing here, and you can print the values here. Let us run and see what happens here. So in this case, if you see, we are printing like here we are reading banana on line number 20. We are printing value actually. In this case, actually banana value is 5, right here. Once we modified the banana value to 6 here, and we deleted orange also here. Now we have two elements only. One is apple, its value is 3, and another one is banana, which is actually 6 we updated. So you can see these two values here.